Hi,
Hi everyone
we're now here at
in
our first
Zagreb.
destination for this season of our travel vlog. We're in Zagreb, in Croatia.
We're just here on a short visit of the capital of Croatia, fresh from the airport.
Then we're traveling to Ljubljana later. Ljubljana is the capital of
Slovenia.
Then after Ljubljana, we're going back to Croatia and drive around the coastal area.
And visit some national park. That's the general idea for this tour.
So this is just a intro, a welcome to a new season of our travel vlog. Sana manood kayong lahat. Hope everyone watches our vlogs.
Similar to Slovenia. I mean, Zagreb is like city, but Slovenia, the country. I mean, these are not that much visited places. By the way, quite an interesting museum. Museum of broken relationships.
Wow.
There are different kinds of artifacts which used to remind someone about someone,
Wow.
and they decided to open here a museum. Well, we will to remember, but still. And people from all over the world have started to send them these like small artifacts. There are anything, sneakers or glasses or cups.
So this is what church again? St. Mark's?
St. Mark's.
It was also all covered because of renovation, and they have opened it just a few months ago, so we're lucky to see it. Because
When was this constructed? 14.
middle of 14th century.
And this building is
So,
the left.
this square is basically houses a few buildings of governmental buildings.
Government.
Parliament, central court, the residence of the mayor of Croatia. This is why there are everywhere police officers on each corner over there, the cars, police cars.
Oh.
What's the significance of this gate again? Sorry.
It's the only one which survived. And it was a huge fire. In the 17th century, there was a huge fire, which destroyed almost completely everything around. And the gates were damaged. But the chapel over here survived. And fortified over there. So after that, people started to come here. Nowadays, it's became very Kravata. Kravata Zagreb. Kravata means tie.
Necktie. Oh, in Spanish it's corbata.
Exactly. And it's cravat in French, and well, almost the same in Polish, Ukrainian, and many other languages. And this word cravat comes from the word Croat, Croatian. Croatian. The thing is, Croatian soldiers used to wear kind of
Tie?
silk, not exactly a tie, but it was more like a scarf, but very similar, made of silk for blade, in case of battle or something like this, to slide from the neck. A lot of fun to walk the street when some kind of football changes. Football is a big thing in Croatia. Croatian team is one of the best in the world. And usually they keep
Screens.
screens everywhere, lots of people, and so on.
Oh, there.
Yeah,
Cathedral.
and it's almost completely hidden. Well,
What do you call it?
It's a
The
cathedral.
cathedral?
Cathedral.
Zagreb Cathedral.
you can walk closer if you would like to.
Let's go.
Oh, there is a market here as well. Zagreb market.
And look at the street lights. So they turn it on by, it's gas fired.
Gas, no?
no?
This one, the light?
Look at how they open it. There.
Oh yeah.
They turn it on like that. They just pull the lever to turn on the gas.
Irish pub.
Oh, that's as everywhere.
What?
This square is the market square.
Market Square. Okay.
Schools. It's typical. Croatia also. Zagreb market probably is the most known. It's closer to the cathedral. Zagreb market, not the most scenic. landscape, but
So it closes on on Sundays. Yeah.
so it works like
Wow.
Yeah, but of course, it's obvious that every day you should visit it as
Yeah.
early as possible. So morning hour. In the ground, like I said, it's 10 minutes walk from the
Wow.
hotel.
That's not bad, yeah.
It's also in this
Yeah.
pedestrian area, just a little bit different side.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, it's getting better.
Oh.
Just open the lower part. It's already better.
So you mean even the lower portion was under renovation for some time?
Yeah.
Oh.
Last year it was
The
full
entire thing?
covered completely. The
Oh.
entire building. So, unfortunately. Also over here we can see the remains of this old city wall, like the gates we have seen. We walk through Community Vrata, and these are also parts of this old city wall. There is a clock
Yeah.
on the wall. It
Yeah.
stopped during one of the earthquakes at the beginning of the 20th century. I'm not sure if they're going to renovate those, but we'll see. So parts of the walls, a few towers, it used to surround all the area. But renovation.
I guess this is the baptistry ranch, right?
Yeah.
This portion is the baptistry.
Yeah.
To another area.
What's this area over here?
Renovation?
No, this area.
It's probably the main square of modern city. We'll get to it. It's called the Square of Banjolan. It's named after one of the general governors of Zagreb in the middle of 19th century. By the way, here's the plan of Zagreb.
Oh, nice. That's the map. There's the cathedral.
This is the square we are getting to. It's down below the cathedral. Yeah, St. Mark Church on the left we've been to.
Yeah.
And the old tower and the funicular on that side.
Mm-hmm.
The car is parked over there a little bit to the left. Yeah, so
What's
we
that
will
star?
walk.
That star over there. Oh, it's just
It's not
the compass. It's a compass. It's a compass. This portion.
It doesn't exist. Let's say it's another part of the old town. So we have two hills. One hill and another. So a bank nowadays. There's
Okay.
cafe store, cafe shop, bank. Also,
Bank.
it comes from the very late 19th century.
Mm-hmm.
Most part of the houses which we can see on the sides were built during the very late 19th or the 20th century. It was so-called Art Nouveau or Vienna Secession style. So it comes from Vienna. It was very popular in that period of time. lots of iron. There's a fountain, a small fountain over here, and a legend says that it's the place from which Zagreb got its name. The thing is, there are a few ways to explain the name Zagreb itself, and one of the ways is from the word zagrabiti. Zagrabiti means to take something, to bring something like this. And according to one of the legends, once a soldier was going home from some war or something like this, and passing this area, he asked a young lady next to this source of water to zagrabiti, give him some water. So Zagreb, but most likely it's not about this, but about Zagrade. It's again water and military defending facilities, something like this. It's mainly about the area. Ban Zulacic, the person who gave his name to this square, he was a military governor of Zagreb in the middle of 19th century. And by Croats he is considered as one of the fighters for the freedom